Hey guys, it's me. I'm here to tell you how to set up your Java development environment for creating OpenGL apps. Woohoo! So, gonna hit the ground running here and just go to eclipse.com or .org. Sorry. Click download Eclipse. Now go to Eclipse Classic and then download the Windows or your operating system's architecture. Mine is Windows 64, so click this. And once that gets done downloading, I'm going to want you to open it up here. It's going to take a little bit, but that's okay. I'm just going to pause the recording here. Alright, we're back. Now it is opened, and let's just create a new Java project. Name it anything. I'm just going to name it GL Test Project. And click Next. Now click Libraries. Now I'm going to need you to click Add Library, User Library. Create a new user library. It's going to be called Java OpenGL version 2.0. So, click OK. Go under there. Click Add External Jars. This is where it's going to get funky. Open up OpenGL.org. Click on Coding Resources. Click, hover over Coding Resources. Click Programming Language Bindings. There's a whole bunch of different languages here, so you can choose whichever one you want, but I'm going to teach you how to use Java. So, here it is. Click on that, and go into the Builds Downloads at the far right. Click on the current zip. I'm going to need you to click on JavaGAM All Platforms. It's going to be in a 7-zip file format, so you're going to need 7-zip to open it. So, click on that, and then it should download. I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to navigate here to it. Here it is. Click. Once you download 7-zip, you can do this automatically. Extract the files using 7-zip to anywhere you want. Just going to leave it there. Now, I extracted mine to my documents. It's right here. So once you got that all set up, go back into Eclipse. And now go into, navigate to the folder that you put, or navigate to the folder that you put it in. Select the folder, double click, open it, open the jar folder, click GlueGen RT, and control click JOGL all. There you go. Now, we are going to click on Java v2.0 again, add another jar, go into Atomic, and get the wait, what am I looking for here? Hold on one second. Okay, I found what I need. We need to add an atomic jar. It will be a JOGL AWT. Look for it here. Look for it. How do we find it? Ah, right here, right at the top. Skip right by it. Alright, so add that, and you should be good to go here. Click on the JOGL v2.0. Now click OK. Select JOGL v2.0. Click Finish. And it should be added to your project. You're good. Now click Finish to complete the project. Now, right now, there's nothing in the project. So, we're going to fix that by adding a new class. You can call it anything you want. I'm going to call it GL Test Project. And I'm just going to click Finish here. first things first, we need to make a main method. That will be our default running method when the class opens. This is going to be done by making a method that's going to be called a public static void main, in parentheses, inheriting the string of arguments and making a method. Now, this method will automatically run every single time your program starts up. So, here it is. This is what you're going to do. You're going to create a new GL profile, GLP. It's going to equal the GL profile defaults. Now, it should ask you to import something, and here it is. Go ahead and import it. Ooh, spelled wrong. Make sure everything's the same. Now, next thing you're going to do is create the capabilities, so the GL profile and the canvas know what to do. It's going to create a new GL capabilities. Caps equals a new GL capabilities, which is going to inherit the profile of GLP, which is the one we just created. So, is we are going to create a new GL canvas. GL canvas. I'm going to call it canvas. It's going to equal a new GL canvas with the capabilities of the caps that we just created. The capes. I'm a weirdo. Now we're going to add these imports here. Right now, import it just from JavaX Media OpenGL. The other one isn't ready yet. Alright. So, that's all done. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is create a frame to put the canvas on. So, frame equals new frame. Kind of redundant, but it needs to be done. Now we are going to import frame from Java AWT. Set the size of the frame to whatever you want. Oh, whoa! Where did that come from? Size to be, I'm going to say 500. And the next thing we're going to do is add the canvas to the frame. It's pretty easy. Add canvas. Then we're going to set the visibility of the frame to true so we can see it. True. And that will create a new frame for us. Yay! So now, create the closing action when it clicks the close button. For some reason it doesn't have default. So we need to create a new window listener. I'm sorry, we need to add the window listener to the frame. Frame dot add window listener. Window L, and next we will, oh geez, I screwed up again. Need to create a new window adapter. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. To add the window closing procedure. So public void when same. And then it's going to do a system.exit, the value of 0. That's basically just going to close it when it gets there. Oh, what the heck's going on here? Let me see. Okay, so let's import a window event. Have a few things. I don't know what's going on here. Should be right. Import the window adapter. Oh, yeah, okay. That's all I need to do. Now if we run it, it should be good. Yeah, let's save it. Waiting. And depending on what your computer's specs are, it could come up with completely different things. Most of the time it's noise, like gobbledygook, random crap. So, close out of it here, and that's your first Java application. My next tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to draw a triangle, so stay tuned.